Hi, thanks for watching. What I want to do today is just explain a couple of ways that we use our Wraptie tie-down straps. What I've got here is the Wraptie 130. This is the shortest one that we do. And I've got a typical application here, which is just to tie a bag onto the back of our bike. So the first one, which is really the higher kind of load one, step one is using the fast grab end, just secure to whatever you need to fasten. So the fast grab end is designed to be really strong, but it also doesn't have any hooks or anything sharp that's going to scratch or damage your product. Next step, just to wrap around the bag, and then what you want to do is just put the desired tension, and what you'll see is the strap's elasticated, so that means it's always going to be under tension regardless of how loose and how long you travel for. Final step, twist, follow along the length of the strap, and that is how you tie down using the Wraptie tie-down strap. Okay, so the second method I want to show you, this one you're not going to need the fast grab end, so we'll just take it off the bike. And this method's a little bit quicker, but you're going to need just a little bit more length. So what we'll do is we'll just shorten, make the bag a bit smaller. And just as simple, we just go around the bag, so we just follow the bag. On here you'll notice there's a little thumb loop, so all we're going to do is put a bit of tension in the thumb loop, and on the other side, however tight we want to make it, and we follow the strap all the way down until it's secure. That is all we need to do. This bag is now secure up to 50 kilograms of weight, no problem.